In this video, I'll show you how to resize your disk partitions safely and for free, so you can move space where you actually need it without losing your data. You'll see the transformation happening in real time. Before we do anything, open your preferred web browser and use the link pinned in the comment section. That link takes you directly to the official EaseUS page. When done, simply click the download button and wait for the installation to finish. Using this particular link makes sure you are getting the best free release and instant access to all free partition tools we are about to use. When the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and open the EaseUS Partition Master. The moment it launches, you will notice something important. Everything is visual and easy to understand. You will see a live disk map showing your entire storage layout. Now take a moment to locate the partition you want to resize. This could be a drive like D or E. Once you have identified it, right-click on that partition. From that menu, click Resize or Move. This is the option that lets you safely change the size of the partition without touching your files. Now you have to resize your partition. On your screen, you will see the partition display as a bar. Just grab the left or right edge of that bar and drag it inward or outward. As you drag, you will see the size changing in real time. When you shrink a partition, unallocated space appears automatically, ready to be used for another drive or to be expanded later. It's completely visual and very intuitive. Before anything happens, pause for a second. Nothing has been applied yet. EaseUS works safely by listing all changes as pending first. You will see the operation clearly marked, giving you one last chance to review everything. When everything looks right, click Apply. If you are resizing a system-related partition, your computer may restart automatically. And when it's done, your resize is complete. And just like that, our drive has more space, no files lost, no stress, and all done safely. If you want to do this yourself, the fastest and safest way is to use the link pinned in the comment section to access all the free partition tools.